to the workshop. I know it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now to some of you, you may look around and see what appears to be a bunch of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Well, you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kimbe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the farthest reaches of the galaxy for ancient relics. We search the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle, ravaged planets. Now what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper would see only worthless clutter, to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You have each heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? Correct? Yes. Well, we have caught wind of a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey. Yes, Rey. Now, what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for. And that is why each of you are here today to look ahead and to build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, and the saber is a reflection of the builder, the force flowing to. And today, each of you will feel that connection. But I could talk for years, so enough talk, let us begin. And so we begin with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the saber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi and his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, as we hear, red. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. And we are here for you, future. The time has come for each of you to select your very own Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, please indulge me by closing your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. And in your mind's eye, picture your Kyber crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now, mentally select your Kyber crystal, and remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you as well. Builders, open your eyes and take your Kyber crystal.
Those are pretty cool.
Excellent. Everyone, please place your Kyber crystal in the green crystal holder in front of you. The time has come to join your Kyber crystal with the saber designs you have each selected. And so, we begin with the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, the center of your control. Now, in front of you are the parts we have each selected. Review them very carefully from left to right, starting at the very far left. You will find your shadow. Moving on to the far right, you will find your activation plates. And in the middle, you will find your grips, images, and timers. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you chose your Kyber crystal, you will choose each part that will make up your very own unique lightsaber. And the gatherers are here to assist you on this journey. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very well, let us build.
My name is Daisy. I'm going to help you guys build your hill today. I'm going to apologize right now because everyone in here is a lot louder than I am, so I will try my best. We're going to start with this chassis right here. These crystal windows facing up towards the sky, so this will be the up direction. Now, yeah, go ahead and grab those pilot I feel anything in this crystal chamber right here. What I find easiest is I get the smallest point lined up with that tiny center indentation in that top pressure plate. And then you can use 2 fingers up and back behind and use your thumbs to push it up and into that pressure.
Cool.
If you do need help, go ahead and let me know. I've had a lot of practice with one of those pieces of scrap. It is a scrap area.
Awesome.
So for you guys, you're going to choose one of those sets of activation plates. You'll notice on the inside of the plates, there's a little blue tab and a red tab. Those are going to line up with those correlating spots on your chassis. So the blue is going to snap onto the blue and the red is going to large.
Got it. Do I select the one not like the one with the gold dot or the solid one? I think I get this one, right? Yeah.
You'll notice the little blue tab and the red tab on the inside. Those are going to snap onto the correlating spots on your chassis. So the blue and the red on the right. So yep, you're just going to look for those tabs right there.
Whoops.
Perfect. I think I'll heard that spot. Perfect. Go ahead and push that button up for me. Perfect. So now you guys are going to choose 2 grips. Any 2 grips you want. You're going to look for the thicker ones. So for you, it's these copper ones. For you, it's going to be these silver ones. They blend in a little bit.
Yep. Gotcha.
So those thicker bands hold the threading. So those are always going to be touching the activation plate. So if you want it on the bottom, it's going to go up. If you want it on the top, it's going to go down and too wide. You're going to get a little bit of pressure while turning. You'll feel it suddenly tighten up. That's when you don't need to turn anymore because it'll be locked into place. Alright. Go ahead and push this button up for me.
So cool. Oh my god, they're stuck. We'll do that one. That one's kind of cool. I like that one a little more. These are the tops. So these ones going to go on top where the blade comes out.
So yep, now you guys are going to choose
I like this one because that's the angle. Yeah. You're going to choose a button for the bottom. Do you like that one more? I kind of like how this one's curved. That's just a lot of black, isn't it?
Doesn't it look blacker than that though?
It's like glossier. Yeah, we'll go with the other one. I just want to go with this one because it's open on the bottom, but we can go with that one. Let's
Have you done this before?
I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Watched a million videos.
I have spoiled it for myself a time or two.
Your button is a little sticky, so I'm actually not sticky. It's a little loose.
Okay.
I don't want it to be activating in your teeth when you're just walking around the tooth.
Absolutely.
Now,
I agree.
your emitter is where your blade extends from your hilt.
There we go.
This one goes
Fun fact. back. This is a really quick way of changing that Kyber crystal.
Okay, just
So if
loosen
you
it
ever
up.
want to, if you ever want to just change
Choose
the
up this right here is going to be your on and off, right? Just keep that in mind. You don't want that
yeah, if
going
you ever
up
want
and
to change
in.
the crystal, you just loosen the grip slightly like this, and it'll pummel cap in a minute just by a smidge.
Okay.
And then you can just take these off and access that crystal.
Perfect.
It's a little trick that we have here in the workshop that we don't really do a lot.
I appreciate it.
Remember that on and off.
And then when it talks about activating, it's going to be sliding that switch right there.
Okay.
All right?
Test it for you. And send it right back up.
Oh, that looks cool.
Now, you must excuse my
This is really cool. I like the black. The solid black looks really good. Big fan. I wasn't going to do that at all, but it looks really good in person.
You don't seem surprised. A note about power and control. Always find the balance between both power and control. Too far in either direction causes imbalance, and that imbalance could be detrimental. But you do that, correct? That are reminiscent of the old Republic. Nicely done. The gold, the copper. What is your name, my friend? Nick. It's a strong name. Nick, welcome to the workshop. I see you have some ancient script written upon your hilt, Nick. I mean, surely you must know what it means. After all, you place it upon your very own hilt. So say it loud enough so we can all hear, Nick.
Is that like getting a tattoo in another language in another country?
Is it
Like hope? But it's not hope, it's something else.
some great guesses you have? But I don't know myself. Only the ancients know, so that's why I was asking you. But if you do
Like
find
Latin, that language.
it could. If you do find out, please do come back and let me know. My friend. Everyone, take a moment with your hilt. You can place your hand upon it. It is your work. We have each completed our hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened while looking together, please. Yet, because why would it? Welcome to the workshop. Which now leads us to the second most dangerous part of the process. Builders, please leave your completed hilts at your station and take a large step back. Gatherers, do your work. The gatherers are placing each of your lightsabers into a Kyber crystal stabilization chamber. This is a dangerous process. It requires years of experience, a steady hand, and a lot of confidence. How are you feeling over here, my friend?
So excited.
So excited and very good. It's quite nice. So excited and very good. I want to keep those feelings rolling here in the workshop. I do not want to alarm either of you. But you are leaning back on a very large canister of thermal detonators.
Not so excited.
Not so excitement. Just also understand that what's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. We have reached the final stage in the process, and the bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, you will step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together, on my signal, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Raise them up. You have each constructed a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you, and like them, you too could change the galaxy. It only takes one spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. It's the hardest part, I know.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but find your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Master Yoda, thank you. In your hands, each of you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a lightsaber sheath as you know. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember, each of you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have constructed today. And maybe next time, we tell them your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
This way, my
It's so cool.
Till the spire.
Enjoy your scrap metal.
Thank you. Heavy.
I hope you will be. But you never know with you.
Thank you.